Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your contact card on an iPhone. First, open the Contacts application on your device. You will find it among your other apps, typically on your home screen or in your app library. This initial step is crucial for accessing your personal information. Once inside, you'll be ready to locate your designated. Once the Contacts app is open, look for My Card at the very top of your contact list. If you haven't set it up before, it might just show your name. Tapping on this entry will take you to your personal contact page. This is where all your individual details are stored and managed, making it easy to keep your information current and accessible. Once your design is taking shape, it's time to add engaging content and features. You can easily integrate contact forms, call-to-action buttons, and links to your social media profiles. CAD also allows you to embed external content, such as YouTube videos or Spotify playlists, to enrich your page. Organize your content into clear, logical sections to ensure a smooth user experience for your visitors. Beyond just your details, you can personalize your contact card with a unique photo or memoji. You can also create a contact poster, choosing from various fonts and colors to make it truly yours. After customizing, you'll decide who can see your contact photo and poster when you communicate. This adds a fun, personal touch to your calls and messages, making your interactions more engaging for everyone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.